Hello friends, hope you all are doing fine. Welcome to my channel Pooja's Computer Tech. Today we will see different type of operator with C programming. So let's study the operator. There are different type of operators such as arithmetic operator, conditional operator, increment decrement operator, comma operator. Arithmetic operator is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and module. Here the symbols are also represented over here. When we want to add two number, we use addition. When we want to subtract two number, we use subtraction. When we want the product of two number, we use multiplication. When we want the division of two number, we use division operator, and when we want the remainder, we use the module operator. The next operator is conditional operator, which is the symbol is question mark with colon symbol. So let's study arithmetic operator, in which we will cover addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and module. For that we have initialized the header files, initializing the main function, and we have taken few variables such as a, b, c, d, e, f and g. For that we have taken two values from the user with the help of scanf. So we have given a command printf, enter a value. User will enter a value of a. Again given command, enter a value. User will enter a value of b. Then we will perform the following operation. For example, user have taken the value of a as 8 and for user have given the value for b as 4. So here C will be a plus b, that is a is 8 and b is 4. So the value will be 12. The value of C will be 12 and that value will be here printing. So we have used the addition operator, that is plus symbol. Now we using subtraction, that is minus. For example, a is 8, subtraction operator, b is 4. So the value of d will be 4, which will be printed over here. Then we are using multiplication operator. A value is 8, b value is 4. So the result will be 32 and this value will be printed over here. Similarly for division and module. For division, a value is 8, b value is 4. So the result will be 2, which will be printed over here. And for module, a value is 8 and b value is 4. So we get the remainder as 0, which will be printed over here. Finally our program ends. So we have used the module operator, we have used the division operator. In our previous video we have used the multiplication, subtraction and addition operator. So let's check these operator with the help of software. I am using here DevCpp software. Let's check in that. So I have written the code, initialize the header file, main function, initialize few variables. We have taken value of a and b from the user using the scanf. Performing addition, c equals to a plus b, printing the value of c. Performing subtraction, d equals to a minus b, printing the value of subtraction. Performing multiplication, a into b and printing the result in E, and finally printing on the console screen. Similarly for division, we are using a divided by b, result will be stored in F and the value will be displayed over here. G equals to a module b and the value will be displayed over here. Let's run the program. Here enter the value of 8. For example, we have taken 8. Enter the value of b, we are taking 4. Addition equals to 12, 8 plus 4 equals to 12. Subtraction, a minus b equals to 4, multiplication A into B, that is 8 into 4 equals to 32, division 8 divided by 4 will be stored in F and it is printed equals to 2, module 8 module 4 equals to 0. So this is arithmetic operation. Now let's check conditional operator. So conditional operator, as we have seen in previous slide, that is, it is initialized with the help of question mark and colon. Question mark asks a question, is it true or false, and with the help of colon we will print the true statement and false statement. So we are using a program to explain the following. Here is the header file, initialize the main function. We have taken 3 variables A, B and C. From the user we will enter 2 values A and B. For example, let's take the value of A as 10 and B as 5. So here the question is A is greater than B? Is 10 is greater than 5? The question is 10 is greater than 5? Condition is true. So the true value will be printed over here and false value will be printed over here. That is, left side of colon will be true value and right side of colon will be false value. So what is true value? A plus B. We have to perform an action, that is A plus B. If this condition is true, then we have to perform an action for true case, that is A plus B equals to 15. And if the value is false, if the condition is false, we have to perform the false condition, that is A minus B. For that the result will be 5. But here in this case, when A equals to 10 and B equals to 5, the condition will be A is greater than 5. Then the result is yes, A is greater than 5. So we have to do the action in true case, that is A plus B. So the result will be 15, which will be printed over here. Now let's check this program with the help of the software. So here the conditional operator. We have taken few variables A and B. We are entering the value of A and B with the from the user. Conditional operator is applied. Is A is greater than B? If A is greater than B, we will perform A plus B. Otherwise, we will perform A minus B. This is the true part and this is the false. That is the if from left side of the colon will be true and the right side of the colon will be false. Now let's compile and run the program. Here it is asking enter the value of A, let's write 10. Enter the value of B, let's write 5. The result will be 15. Again let's run the program where we will perform for the false statement, that is let's give the value of A as 4 and enter the value of B, suppose 10. So here the question is A is greater than B? So the statement is A is greater than B, 4 is greater than 10? No. So the false part will be printed, that is A minus B. So the result will be minus 6. I hope everyone liked my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to share your valuable comments. In my next video, we will see the other two operators, that is comma operator and increment and decrement operator. Thank you.